मेरे शरीर में रक्त है, जब तक मैं हमारे झांसी की सेवा करूंगी। हम हमारा झांसी को गौरव के हाथ में नहीं दूंगी। हम लड़ेंगे क्योंकि अपनी आने वाली पीढ़ियों की उसका आज़ादी उत्सव बन सके। हम लड़ेंगी हमारा महाराज छत्रपति महाराज शिवाजी की अपनी सपनों का स्वराज का हम पुनर्जीवित करेंगे। हम लड़ेंगे। आपको चाहते हैं झांसी, हम चाहते हैं सिर्फ आपको राज करनी है, मेरा झांसी का सेवा करनी है। हर हर महादेव।
I'm Kedarani from MSDS Group. I'm proud to be Indian. India is the largest democracy country in the world. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
I'm proud to be the Indian. I'm proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the India. It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. I'm proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indian. It's a country of great people. It's a country of brave leaders. It's a country of great.
నిర్మల సుర గంగా జల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లుల విలసిల్లిన నిలయం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారత ఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం నిర్మల సుర గంగా జల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లుల విలసిల్లిన నిలయం ఉత్తరాన ఉన్నతమై హిమగిరి శిఖరం దక్షిణాన నెలకొన్నది హిందూ సముద్రం. దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజలందరంతా మనదే అందాల ఉంది నేలలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది గాలిలో ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భారతమాతకొకటే లేరా.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lal Lajpat Rai. I would like to say that we are fortunate to be an Indian and live freely as proud citizens of our country. So it's our duty to serve the nation and keep up the legacy of doing something. I wish you all a happy Independence Day and hope together we can build a wonderful nation. Together in unity we can strengthen our nation for a beautiful country. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Today, on 15th August, we celebrate this day with great spirit of patriotism. On this day, 15th August 1947, India became independent from British rule. Thousands of brave hearts sacrificed their lives for the freedom of India. We must remember our brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and Dr.
Bhagat Singh. He was a revolutionary freedom fighter of the Indian independence movement. He was born on 28th September 1907 in Punjab. His family was involved in freedom struggle. Inspired by family atmosphere, Bhagat Singh also joined the freedom struggle at the age of 13. He founded Naujan Bharat Sabha in 1926 with an aim to get rid of British rule in India. He popularized the slogan Inqilab Zindabad, which means long live the revolution.